Hi guys, Nick Miller, Dave Mark Supply Company. Today I have for you a very nice skid loader. This is a 2021 year model Kubota SSV65 rubber tired skid steer loader. This unit has 2,222 hours on it. It was in a dairy farmer's operation. Feeding is what it done. The machine is in very nice shape. It is scratched up here in the back just because of the configuration of where he was feeding at. But the machine is in very nice shape. This machine has a unique situation. This unit was bought new 3/12 of 2021, and I want to refer to my phone here real quick so I have everything straight. So unit was purchased on 3/12 of 2021. So the original warranty date would end 3/11 of 2023. However, he bought an extended warranty, which is fully transferable to the new owner for an extra year. So its actual warranty expiration date is going to be 3/11 of 2024, and that's a full bumper-to-bumper warranty. And then it will have emissions warranty, and I will clearly state that that warranty is till 3,000 hours, and then the emissions end of it is 3/11 of 2026 and or 3,000 hours. So you are buying a machine. It is under warranty, full warranty. It has approximately another 800 hours of warranty left, like 775 if you want to split hairs. But that warranty is on this machine. It is transferable to the new owner. It has just had a complete and full service at 2,221 hours, and that was every filter, including cabin filters. We put 4 brand new D-Stone 10/16/5 tires. All tires match. We did put a brand new Bobcat 68-inch long bottom bucket with it. It is cab, heat, air, suspension seat. It does have the KSR, Kubota Shockless Ride, AM/FM radio. It is a standard style controls machine. It is not a pilot machine, which I like that in this particular application. It is a very, very nice machine. It is 100% ready to go to work. Come on back here. We'll start you here in the back end of this machine. There are some scratches in this back door. We left it that way. We did not paint the back door. There's one small dent right there. But other than that, the back door is very good and straight. It just has some scratches. And again, it's because of the application of where he was at and why it done that. Unit, again, all filters, oils changed. 2,221 hours. Everything has been changed. All filters have been marked, and they have used all OEM Kubota filters. Again, cab, heat, air, everything works the way it is supposed to with no issues. Machine is 100%, and understand this machine does have full warranty left on it because of that transferable extended warranty. It is 2-speed. It is cab, heat, air. It is Kubota Shockless Ride. It is a 2021. Up front here, 68-inch CID X-Treme, long bottom, heavy-duty bucket, power skid steer quick attach, auxiliary hydraulics up here with K-Treme. This handle was bent, it got bumped. We put a brand new one on, and a new guard right here has been installed. Cylinder guards are in place. There are some normal scratches and scrapes, but the big thing is the cab. None of the grab handles are broke or busted. The cab is good and straight. All glass is in the cab. We literally pulled all the glass out, cleaned the glass, put everything back in. Chain case structures, everything is straight, clean. It is original paint machine. One big thing on the Kubota. Right there it is. That overhead door, you can't beat it. It is a beautiful access in and out. Very, very nice getting in and out of these machines. We're going to go ahead and take you inside. Kubota suspension seat. Hop in here, again, standard controls machine, so foot pedals for the bucket and the boom, steering levers just like a traditional Bobcat. 2,221 hours, AM/FM radio. I don't hold the rights to the music it's playing. Power quick attach, auto level bucket, wiper for washer, horn, new cabin filters, cab heat air, no error codes. One thing we really like about the Kubota machines, they're simple in a lot of ways, but they're also got a lot of great features, which is really nice. And you know, a lot of newer stuff we're fooling with today, it's too complex. There's too many screens, there's too many this, there's too many that. What I like about the Kubota, they're comfortable. You have a lot of room in the cab. You have very good simple controls, a dash that I need to know a couple things. Fuel, temperature, hours, and where your codes would generate. I feel it's great. You have a cigarette lighter plug here, cup holder here. Air conditioning in these units are very good. And this front door, how does it get any better than that? Let me do it one more time. It's a wonderful setup. It really is. I like the Kubota, the way it works. AM/FM radio, rear view mirror kit, has a horn. It's 2-speed, Kubota Shockless ride. This is a nice setup. And here it is available and it's under warranty. You know, wait time for a machine like this right now, you're probably 6-7 months to get one. And here's a machine that's ready to go to work. So we're going to fire this unit up. We're going to run it around, show you everything it's supposed to do. Here we go. guys, there it is. Very, very nice running, working machine. It is 100% ready to go to work. Very nice, very clean. Unit does have full warranty. And again, this door, truthfully, it's a great setup. A lot of skid loader manufacturers could be doing that. You know, I've always been a Bobcat guy. I like my Bobcat stuff. Some things they're doing these days that I just kind of shake my head out. But we kind of, you know, at the end of the day, we still do a lot of the older Bobcat stuff, which was good built stuff. But here's a machine that has a Kubota motor in it that is a legendary engine. These should be a 2607. Very good running machine. Power quick attach. They're incredibly smooth. Very comfortable in the cab. Air conditioning in the Kubota products, whether it's an RTV, a tractor, skid loader, excavator, they have unbelievable air conditioning systems that we probably, I'll tell you the truth, I remember putting a compressor on one tractor. But they have a very good setup, very good system, very good, well-balanced skid loader. So if you have any questions, and keep in mind, this unit is cab, heat, air, 2-speed, Kubota Shockless ride, which is your ride control, power quick attach, suspension seat, AM/FM radio. So it is a loaded up machine. And again, I can't stress enough about that bumper-to-bumper warranty and that extended side it has, which is transferable to the new owner. So if you have any questions, 814-658-3066. Thank you very much for checking out Mark's Supply Company. If we can help you in any purchase of our equipment, let us know. We'll be glad to help you. If you need a trucking rate, let us know. We'll be glad to get you trucking price for shipping, and glad to help you in any way that we can. Again, 814-658-3066. As always, thank you very much for checking out Mark's Supply Company. Have a great day.